Every great city tells its story through food, and Miami's South Beach is no exception. Recently named one of the top 20 food tour companies in the world by TripAdvisor, Bobby's Bike Hike invites you on our South Beach Food and Fun guided walking tour, where you'll discover the flavor of Miami, block by block, bite by bite. From savory Latin staples to tropical-inspired creations, it's a feast for the senses. In just 3 hours, we'll take you from iconic Ocean Drive to tucked-away local gems. You'll dine where legends like Gloria Estefan and Gianna Versace once walked. Every step is a love letter to Miami's rich culinary scene. But it's more than the food. It's the stories, the rhythm of salsa spilling from open doors, the history behind Versace's mansion, the charm of Española Way, and the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture lighting up the path. Elevate your experience with a VIP drink package featuring 3 hand-picked craft cocktails to complement your culinary adventure. South Beach is electric, indulgent, and unforgettable. If you only have one afternoon in Miami, make it delicious. Let Bobby's Bike Hike show you the tasty side of Miami Beach.